Hello hobbyholics, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unveil the printout that we made last night of our miniature figures. So we covered this the 3D printer because in the office it's very bright in the morning with the sun, and I don't want that the resin will be cured by the UV light. As you can see, this is now our finished figures that we printed last night. This is printed in Anycubic Photon Mono 4K. So we are now going to remove the print. So I'm going to take off the lid. And then switch it off. We're going to switch it off now. And then we are going to remove the need to be very careful to unscrew this. Make it sure that it's not going to drop. I'm going to slide it like that, and then we are going to still dripping. So this is now the result. As you can see, a big version or different types, sizes or different sizes of Lara Croft and Iron Man. So now what we are going to do is we are going to scrape our figure slowly. It's a little hard.